Do you often find yourself clicking "Remind me later" when a software update notification pops up on your screen, whether it's your mobile phone, laptop, or any smartphone gadget that you own? If this sounds all too familiar, then you're not alone. Most of us have developed this habit of postponing software updates, often viewing them as a pesky interruption to our busy digital lives. But let's take a step back and consider what's really going on here. When a software update notification appears, it's not just a random pop-up, it's a call to action from your device. It's saying, "Hey, I've got some new tricks up my sleeve that I think you'll find useful, plus I can become more secure and efficient if you just give me a few moments of your time." So, as we delve into the world of software updates and patch management, remember, it's not just about clicking "Update now" instead of "Remind me later." It's about understanding why these updates matter. If you're guilty of hitting that "Remind me later" button, this video will help you understand why you might want to rethink that habit. First things first, what exactly are software updates and patches? Well, in the simplest terms, software updates are newer versions of software that are released to fix bugs, improve security, or add new features. They are like getting a tune-up for your car, but for your digital tools. You can think of them as an ongoing evolution of the software. Let's break it down a bit. One crucial component of software updates is bug fixes. Bugs are errors or glitches in the software that can cause it to behave unpredictably or even crash. By squashing these bugs through updates, software becomes more stable and reliable. Next, we have security patches. These are designed to patch up vulnerabilities in the software that could potentially be exploited by hackers. It's kind of like fixing a hole in your house's wall that a burglar could use to break in. By regularly installing security patches, you're making sure that your digital house is as secure as it can be. Then we have feature enhancements. These are updates that add new features or improve existing ones. It's like getting a shiny new gadget to play with, but for your software. These enhancements can make your software more powerful, user-friendly, or efficient. Now, the process of a software update usually starts with a notification. This is like a digital tap on the shoulder, letting you know that an update is available. Then, the update is downloaded and installed, often requiring a restart of the software or your device. But here's the thing. Managing all these updates can be a bit of a chore, especially if you're dealing with multiple software applications. That's where patch management comes in. It's the process of managing the deployment of updates and patches across a network of computers or servers. It's like having a personal assistant who takes care of all your software updates so you don't have to. So now that we know what software updates and patches are and how they work, let's dive into why they are so important. Why should you bother with these regular software updates and patches? Isn't it just more convenient to ignore them? Well, convenience might seem appealing, but when it comes to software, it's a dangerous game to play. Let's dive into why regular software updates and patch management are crucial. First off, software updates aren't just about adding new features or changing the layout. They are about improving the software's functionality and efficiency. Developers work tirelessly to make their software run smoother, faster, and more efficiently. When you update your software, you're reaping the benefits of their hard work. But software updates go beyond just improving functionality. They're also about security. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, with new viruses, malware, and other nasty stuff being developed every day. Developers keep up with these threats and create patches to protect their software. When you update your software, you're not just getting the latest features, you're getting the latest protection against these cyber threats. Ignoring software updates means you're missing out on these crucial security patches. This leaves your system vulnerable to attacks. Imagine your software as a fortress. With each update, you're building higher walls, deeper moats, and stronger gates. But if you ignore these updates, you're leaving your fortress with weak spots. And it's these weak spots that cyber threats aim to exploit. Moreover, regular updates also maintain the overall health of your system. They fix bugs that might cause crashes or slow down your system. They ensure that your software is compatible with other software and hardware. They keep your system running smoothly and efficiently. So you see, ignoring software updates and patches isn't just about missing out on the latest features. It's about leaving your system exposed to threats and potentially causing harm to your system's health. In conclusion, remember that every time you hit "Remind me later," you're potentially leaving your system vulnerable. So next time, think twice. Your software's health is in your hands. Enjoyed learning about the importance of regular software updates? If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that like button. And for more cybersecurity tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Remember, staying updated is key in cybersecurity. Just as you wouldn't ignore a software update, don't ignore our updates either. So hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. And finally, remember, your software's health is in your hands. Stay safe, stay updated, and we'll see you in the next video.